Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to change your wallpaper on iOS. Now what you want to do is you want to go into settings and you want to scroll down until you see wallpaper. Now once you click on wallpaper, you can add a new wallpaper or you can select your current one and customize it. Now in this case, I'm simply going to customize my current wallpaper. So press on customize. And as you can see, there's many text boxes that you can actually edit. And in this case, for the numbers, you can change the font and the color of it. As you can see, you can either make it more bold, you can make it more skinny, you can change the font style, and you can even change the color. Now you may just tinker with this however you like. However, I simply just like going with the standard black. And you're also able to control the widgets. So as you can see, here is the camera button and it's no longer there. However, I can add it back, or if I want a calculator, I can add that too. Now, once you're done editing it, you can simply click on the top right-hand corner where it says done. And wow, it looks like we're unable to save photo shuffle. However, you shouldn't have that problem when you're doing it. Once you have finished, you simply click on set as current, and now your current wallpaper will be the wallpaper that you just edited. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.